Hello, hello. Welcome to our empty greenhouse for put everything done in preparation for tropical storm Milton. So everything was up, now down. So and after the tropical storm, we gotta put all them back in place. All the shelf is empty. We put everything down off the shelf and to the ground. All my Vanda orchids are laying down. Yes, my babies them in the ground. So only thing left to do is to lay down these taller plants down in the ground. And yes, everything is in the ground. So guys, keep us in prayer so that we can be safe. And I pray God cover each and every one of you guys. Protect y'all from dangerous storm. So Psalm 91 say, He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. God gonna cover y'all, God gonna protect y'all. So keep safe, be prayerful, be mindful, and enjoy your day.